How to change language in 8-ball pool. Hi guys, it's Mekran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to change language in 8-ball pool. Changing language in 8-ball pool is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Open the 8-ball pool app. Launch the 8-ball pool app on your Android device or iOS device. Access the setting menu. On the menu screen, look for the gear icon in the bottom of the screen. Tap on it to open the setting menu. Select language setting. In the setting menu, look for an option labeled language or similar. This option may be listed under general setting or similar categories. Choose your preferred language. Tap on the language option and you will see a list of available languages. Scroll through the list and select your preferred language by tapping on it. Confirm your selection. After selecting the desired language, it may automatically save your choice. If prompt, confirm your selection to apply the changes. And there you go, it's done. That's how you can change language in 8-ball pool. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.